Hello. 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 Honourable the Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, Mr. Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, the Honourable Mr. Justice Alexander Thomas, Judge, High Court of Kerala, Honourable Judges of the High Court of Kerala, Honourable Judges of the High Court of Gujarat, the Honourable former Judges of High Court of Gujarat and Kerala, the all distinguished guests from Gujarat, the President in charge of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, Office Bearers of the Bar Council of Gujarat, the President of Kerala High Court Senior Advocates Association, the President Federation of Criminal Lawyers Kerala High Court Unit, the Office Bearers of the Gujarat High Court Advocates Association, the Officers of the State of Gujarat and Kerala, Deputy Solicitor General, Senior Central Standing Council of Taxes, and other law officers of the central government. Senior advocates of this Honourable Court and of the High Court of Gujarat, esteemed fellow members of the bars of Gujarat and Kerala, Registrar General, Registrars and staff of the High Courts of Gujarat and Kerala, family members of Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, staff of the Advocate General's Office, advocates clerks, ladies and gentlemen. Gujarat and Kerala, two states on the western coast of the country, have had a history of reciprocal collaboration from time immemorial. Reportedly, trading vessels from Gujarat coast used to row in with merchandise to the various ports in the present-day geographical area of Kerala. Anchored for weeks on the coast or on the backwaters for business and rowed out with spices and other goods collected from here. There are Portuguese writings recording the presence of a vibrant Gujarati trading community in Kozhikode as early as in the 16th century. There are Gujarati settlements in the areas which are part of the erstwhile princely states of Kochi and Tiruvallur. In western parts of this district of Ernakulam, Gujarati festivals are celebrated by one and all with pomp and glory. In Mattancherry and Kozhikode, there are schools teaching Gujarati language. There is a little Gujarat in the nearby Alappuzha district. It is widely believed that one prominent reason for construction of canals linking the inlands of Alappuzha with its western coast was to facilitate then Gujarati tradesmen to transport goods from inland to their vessels in the coast. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, the most renowned and greatly venerated son of Gujarat, had reportedly visited Kerala, championing the course of the various Renaissance movements that took place here and had exchange of views with Sri Narayana Guru and Mahatma Yangali, the iconic social reformers of this part of the country. Their Lordships Justice K.G. Balakrishnan and Justice K.S. Radhakrishnan, their Lordships then was, as well as Justice Subramanian Poti and Justice K. Sridharan, who all were judges of this Honourable Court and adorned the office of the Chief Justice of the High Court of Gujarat. In spite of the continued association and connectivity between the two states through the centuries, despite many judges from this Honourable Court adorning the office of the Chief Justice of the High Court of Gujarat, no judge from the High Court of Gujarat had occasion to adorn the office of the Chief Justice of this Honourable Court until 22/7/2023. Today, with a beaming heart, I am welcoming the first judge ever from the High Court of Gujarat to adorn the office of the Chief Justice of the Honourable Court. My Lord Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, welcome to the highest court of the courts of the country. I can vouch for sure that my Lord will always be at home in our city of Kochi and will never even for a moment miss the delicacies, festivals, and people of Gujarat. My Lord Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai was born on 5/7/1962 in Vadodara to Justice Jitendra P. Desai and Mandakini Jitendra Desai. My Lord's father, late Justice Jitendra P. Desai, was a judge at the High Court of Gujarat from 21/6/1983 to 16/4/1989, who, having started his career as district leader in 1949, rose to the higher echelons of judiciary from the post of civil judge junior division. The Gujarat High Court bar reflects my Lord's father to have been a very popular judge. My Lord's father, though guided my Lord in law from childhood itself, wanted my Lord to be an engineer. But my lord, inspired by my lord's father and his dedication and sincerity to the profession, chose to traverse the difficult but exciting terrains of a career in law. My lord graduated in BA Economics from St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad in the year 1982, and later in 1985 obtained law degree from Sri Elisha Law College, Ahmedabad. While being an undergraduate student, my lord chose not to be complacent with the comforts of my lord's secure living environment and consciously came out to render the pro bono welfare work, particularly at hospitals, by assisting patients belonging to underprivileged families. Certainly, this outreach experience also might have helped my lord in good stead in shaping the welfare-oriented approach which my lord adhered to in my lord's career in law, both as a lawyer and as a judge. My lord was enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Gujarat on 27/11/1985. On enrollment as a lawyer, my lord joined the office of the advocates M.C. Bhatt and Dr. M. Bhatt. My lord practiced initially at the City Civil and Sessions Court, Ahmedabad. In my lord's initial years of trial practice, my lord mainly handled civil and criminal cases, and the same helped my lord to assimilate niceties of criminal and civil law and its practice and procedure. In 1991, my lord shifted practice to the High Court of Gujarat. So said Senior Advocate Kamal Trivedi, the learned Advocate General of Gujarat, about my lord's commencement of practice before the High Court of Gujarat, while addressing the Gujarat High Court full court payable in honor of my lord on 21/7/2023. I quote, after having gained sufficient experience of the trial courts coupled with the in-depth study of various nuances of the civil procedure code and the criminal procedure code, a young and handsome lawyer started practicing before the High Court of Gujarat in 1991. Very soon, his lordship established himself as a formidable lawyer with an admirable reputation. Unquote. While at the office of the advocate M.C. Bhatt, my lord got a unique opportunity to assist my lord's senior colleague, who was appointed as an advocate commissioner by the High Court in a public interest litigation regarding the plight of migrant laborers in the sugar mills of South Gujarat, who are working on meager wages. My lord, as part of them, visited various sugar mills and discovered that the wages of those laborers were far below the standards fixed under the Minimum Wages Act. The endeavor of the team, of which my lord was a significant part of helping securing standard minimum wages of those laborers. My lord was appointed as an assistant government manager in the year 1994 and as additional public prosecutor in the year 1995. And my lord continued as such till elevation as a judge. My lord was the central government standing officer at the High Court of Gujarat from 2006 to 2009. My lord was a panel counsel for the Gujarat Electricity Board and Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited. In the over 2 decades of practice in the High Court, my lord had the opportunity to appear in every other genre of cases. These include criminal and civil cases, all types of petitions, many a matter of constitutional importance and issues involving great public interest. My lord conducted such myriad and varied classes of cases with apparent ease, but with all sincerity and due diligence. As the state law officer at the High Court, my lord redeemed the public interest reposed on my lord in a manner far exceeding the expected normal standards through enterprise and acceptance, and earned public repute as an efficient defender of the interests of the state, prosecution, and the public at large. In recognition of my lord's experience and expertise as a lawyer, my lord was repeatedly elevated as an additional judge at the High Court of Gujarat on 21/11/2011. My lord was appointed as a permanent judge on 6/9/2013. My lord was also acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Gujarat with effect from 26/2/2023, and to my lord's appointment as the Chief Justice of this Honourable Court. As a judge, my lord has rendered several landmark judgments on construction, diverse legal provisions, and answering wide-ranging questions of law. My lord's judicial journey so far has been through a wide legal spectrum: constitutional law, civil law, criminal law, matrimonial law, land acquisition law, service law, and intellectual property law, to name a few. A scanning of my lord's judgments reveals the realistic loom of a knowledgeable judge. My lord's judgments are framed for brevity without being bereft of necessary factual details and legal inputs. Many of my lords' judgments bear testimony to my lords' deep knowledge of criminal law and its practice and procedure. The following words of Justice N.V. Anjari, Honourable Judge of the High Court of Gujarat, speak volumes for my lord's judicial expertise. I quote, Justice Desai possessed prime qualities which one would always expect in a judge. He is a quick decision maker. He is forthright in his approach. He is one who never tolerated nonsense in the courtroom. In the chamber, he used to have no files remaining pending. He was always clear in his views. Unquote. I am informed by the respected members of the Gujarat High Court Bar that my lord is a warm-hearted, kind, humane, and down-to-earth, humble person. The legal fraternity of Gujarat reveres my lord for having been an affable and inspiring judge. My lord is known for maintaining etiquette and decorum in judicial conduct and in managing judicial work with paramount earnestness and assiduity. My lord never got angry on any of the bar members and always gave patient hearing to all, especially to junior members of the bar. My lord earlier as a lawyer and later as a judge always provided special attention to nurture future generation of lawyers, often going an extra mile during hearings to guide younger members of the bar. My lord remained an all-time favorite of the junior members of the bar. My lord is renowned for uprightness and openness in communication and demeanor, for lucidity in personality, and for being candid and humble in views. My lord has a keen interest in music and drawing. My lord inimitable picturesque style has been much spoken about, which is thus echoed in the following works by Advocate Prithviraj Singh G. Jadeja, President of Gujarat High Court Association. I quote, you have been exceptionally well dressed in all the functions of the High Court. I would fail in my duty if I did not mention that after all functions of the High Court, there used to be a buzz among lawyers about the clothes worn by. I recollect one junior friend of mine telling me that please do ask Justice Desai to share the name and place of the tailor from where he gets his clothes stitched. Unquote. My lord was equally resourceful in matters of administration also. My lord's tenure as the executive chairman, patron chief of Gujarat State Legal Service Authority was short but eventful. Initiatives of the Legal Services Authority under the leadership of my lord included providing a free and competent legal aid, carrying out effective awareness and outreach campaign of various welfare schemes floated by National Legal Services Authority, improving the alternate dispute redressal mechanisms, particularly log adalat and mediation, imparting mediation training, program for a large number of lawyers, organizing a collective mediation training for the judicial officers of the Rajkot and their referral judges training program for judges of Gujarat and Rajasthan High Courts, launching the second phase of Prabhaya Brigade, whereby paralegal volunteers were provided training of various aspects of POCSO Act, who in turn were to train the child members of Prabhaya Brigade, and launching a prestigious signal school project in association with the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation and Government of Gujarat, whereby 151 children who were indulged in begging work were enrolled in this signal school. My lord created a history in the National Lok Adalat organized on 13th May 2023, wherein record-breaking 3.96 lakhs cases have been disposed of. My lord was also the patron-in-chief of Gujarat State Judicial Academy, and also headed various committees constituted to streamline the administrative Gujarat High Court, like the Standing Committee, Screening Committee, Recruitment Committee for District Judges, Annual General Transfer Committee of Judicial Officers in the State, Building Committee, Computer and Technology Committee, and Committee for Distribution of Senior Advocates, while also functioned as administrative judge for different districts in the state. The judiciary of the state of Kerala as a whole, and this Honourable Court in particular, has made exceptional advances in the matter of improving justice dispensation system with the aid of information technology tools. The working in unison of an e-oriented proactive, erstwhile Honourable Chief Justices of this Honourable Court, a team of tech-savvy judges, an efficient team of IT professionals, and the state government, they were ready to support all sorts of initiative technological advances, made the well-developed key initiatives of this Honourable Court and the state judiciary possible. My lord's tenure as the acting Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court and as chairman of its IT committee also saw unprecedented development in the initiatives to Gujarat judiciary, such as launching of e-certified copy functionally along with the email My Case Status portfolio for all EMCS subscribers, inclusive of online payment facility for payment of charges for digitally signed certificate copies of orders and judgments of the High Court of Gujarat, launching of the mechanism of uploading and publishing Gujarati translated version of judgments of Honourable Supreme Court of India, development and implementation of exhaustive alternative automated mechanisms for transmission of bail orders from magisterial courts to respective jails across the state of Gujarat, developed and implemented pilot implementation of hybrid hearing, inclusive of the software mechanism for online submission of hybrid hearing options by the lawyers, implementation of the virtual traffic court at Metropolitan Court, Ahmedabad, designation of 20 courts as judicial magistrates as virtual traffic courts, implementation of basement neutral citations developed in-house as periphery software by the IT cell for launch of Gujarat High Court, neutral citation for judgment and final audits, integration of land survey records between CIS data and Revenue Department data, and initiation of STEP project with procurement of more than 1,400 mobile phones for bailiffs, process servers, the district judiciary, to name a few. I can be sure of the fact that my lords, leadership will take the initiative of this honorable court and the judiciary of the state to further and scale and unparalleled heights. It has become a cliche to say that the bar is the birth judge of a judge. The crowded black robes that thronged the court hall of Gujarat High Court on the occasion of my lord's reference on 21/7/2023 is certainly indicative of my lord's popularity. A judge's popularity among the members of the bar stems from recognition of his or her judicial acumen and acknowledgement of his or her recommendation of the lawyers presenting the list. The Gujarat High Court bar, in my lord's reference, acknowledged the profound impact of my lord and the legal community and the lives of the countless people of the state of Gujarat. The bar recalled that my lord had performed exceptionally well as a judge. Our High Court is certainly privileged by my lord becoming the Chief Justice. My lord will go through at the Hall of Fame of illustrated justices that this honorable court has had. On this happy occasion, my lord's assuming office as Chief Justice of this honorable, I, on my own behalf and on behalf of the entire lawyer fraternity of the state, assure my lord of our all-hearted cooperation and assistance in the discharge of my lord's honorable functions as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala. On this momentous occasion, I also share the joy of my lord's wife, Mrs. Chachi Desai, my lord's son, Sri Ashish Desai, my lord's daughter, Trisha Ashish Desai, and my lord's daughter-in-law, Srimati Nidhi. Thank you.
Honourable Mr. Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, Honourable Chief Justice, High Court of Kerala, Honourable Mr. Justice Alexander Thomas, Judge, High Court of Kerala, Honourable Judges of High Court of Kerala, Honourable Judges of High Court of Gujarat, Honourable former Judges of High Court of Kerala and High Court of Gujarat, Learned Advocate General, Senior Advocate Sri K. Gopalakrishna, Additional Advocate Generals, Deputy Solicitor General of India for High Court of Kerala, Director General of Prosecutions, Additional Director General of Prosecutions, State Attorney, Senior Advocates Associations President Sri N. Nabalan, Senior Central Government Standing Counsel for Taxes, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, other members of the Bar Council of Kerala, Secretary of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, President Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, respected senior lawyers, and esteemed members of the Bar of High Court of Kerala as well as High Court of Gujarat, Registrar Generals and Registrars of Kerala High Court and High Court of Gujarat, law officers of the state and central government, family members of Honourable Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, staff of this court, advocate clerks, and my dear friends. We are gathered here on an auspicious occasion to extend our warmest welcome to Honourable Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, who has been sworn in as the Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala. as the learned Advocate General has already presented a comprehensive account of the life and service of your Lordship, I shall abstain from reiterating those words. Your Lordship brings in a rich legacy inherited from your my Lord's esteemed father, great Mr. Justice Ashish P. Desai, who served as a distinguished judge in the Honourable High Court of Gujarat from 1983 to 1989. As a lawyer, your Lordship excelled in both civil and criminal side, receiving recognition from both the bench and the bar. As a testament to the legal acumen and esteemed reputation, Lordship was elevated as an additional judge of the High Court of Gujarat in 2011 and later became a permanent judge in 2013. The wealth of experience that your Lordship brought in as an assistant government leader, additional public prosecutor, central government standing counsel, and counsel for many public corporations is invaluable. The extensive experience that your Lordship has gathered as a lawyer is instrumental as it helps in understanding the challenges faced by the legal fraternity and enables a broad and emphatic approach towards them. Your Lordship is highly praised for providing patient hearing to lawyers, irrespective of their stature, whether a senior or a junior. Your Lordship has displayed exemplary qualities in discharging the judicial functions. The pragmatic approach in handling various legal issues and utmost sincerity and diligence in handling judicial work, ensuring that each case is carefully and thoroughly dealt with. The judgments of your Lordship has rendered clear testament to the qualities that your Lordship possesses as a judge. Your Lordship's commendable role as efficient administrator, leading various committees, and later on as the acting Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court, has also received widespread appreciation. The Gujarat State Legal Services Authority has reached its Senate under the skillful leadership of your Lordship. The proactive steps your Lordship has taken for the effective settlement of disputes are widely applauded. The remarkable number of 3.9 lakh cases have been successfully settled under your Lordship's tenure as the head of the Gujarat State Legal Services Authority is remarkable. My Lord's exemplary leadership and dedication have contributed significantly to this outstanding achievement. The special interest your Lordship has taken in bringing students to the schools, implementing holistic well-being programs for prisoners, conducting mediation training programs for advocates, and organizing various other training initiatives for the High Court and the District Judiciary demonstrate your Lordship's commitment to the extending legal services to all walks of life. These efforts contribute significantly to ensure a peaceful society based on rule of law. The state of Kerala has a unique tradition of accepting with open arms anything and everybody who comes to them. The legal fraternity in Kerala is no different. We have the tradition of embracing anyone who becomes a part of this system. The bar plays a proactive role in ensuring the effective dispensation of justice in the state. In R. Muthukrishnan versus Registrar General of the High Court of Madras, the Honourable Supreme Court has observed as follows. I quote, independent bar and independent bench form the backbone of the democracy. In order to preserve the very independence, the observance of constitutional values, mutual reverence, and self-respect are absolutely necessary. Bar and the bench are complementary to each other. Without active cooperation of the bar and the bench, it is not possible to preserve the rule of law and its dignity. The balancing of values, reverence between the bar and the bench is the edifice of the independent judicial system. In 1975, Honourable Justice V.R. Krishnaiyer in Bar Council of Maharashtra versus M.V. Dabholkar observed that the bar is and must be a watchdog of the judiciary and for the judiciary. The bar must be like the metaphor of the Ashwadha Vriksha referred in Gita. Its branches extended below and above, nurtured by the gunas. Its buds are the sense objects, small roots extended also downwards into the world of men, impelling man into action. In Kerala, the bar and the bench share a rare cordial relationship, being supplementary and complementary to each other. The bar has extended wholehearted support to the reforms that have taken place in the judiciary, whether it be the e-filing system or the digitalization of the court process. On the other hand, the bench has also played a pivotal role in helping the lawyers develop a system that is lawyer-friendly. We aspire to equip our lawyer fraternity with the abilities that will enable them to adapt themselves to the changing legal scenario. Your Lordship's leadership in guiding the legal fraternity in Kerala will undoubtedly propel us towards achieving this goal. We congratulate the family members of Justice Ashish Desai, his wife, Srimati Sachi, who is present on this occasion, for their invaluable contribution to his success, and we joyfully join in their celebration of this remarkable achievement. Today, as we extend our heartfelt welcome to Chief Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, we recognize the immense responsibility that comes with his new role. We have full confidence that my Lord's resolute leadership, exceptional administrative skills, and prompt decision-making capabilities will elevate our judiciary to unprecedented heights. Your Lordship's dedication to uphold a just and efficient system will undoubtedly foster the progress of the justice dispensation system in our state. On behalf of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, I extend our warm and heartfelt congratulations to Your Lordship. We wholeheartedly wish you, my Lord, a glorious and successful tenure as Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala. On this occasion, I extend the wholehearted support of the Bar in implementing measures for the welfare of the legal fraternity and for the fair dispensation of justice. We look forward to work with my Lord in all trust and in cooperation for the common good of the judiciary. Your Lordship's esteemed presence enriches our fraternity, and we are certain that with my Lord's guidance and support, we will fortify the pillars of justice, ensuring a fair and equitable legal system for all. Wishing my Lord all the very best. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Desai, my esteemed sister and brother judges of this court, honorable judges of the Gujarat High Court, members of the family of our Chief Justice, distinguished former judges of this court who are present, learned Advocate General, presidents of the Bar, Senior Bar and the Women's Bar, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, distinguished law officers of the state and the union, esteemed members of the Bar and the Senior Bar, members of the registry and the staff of this court and its allied organizations, advocate clerks, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed yet another great honor and privilege conferred on me to address all of you today on this great occasion as we gather here to welcome, felicitate and congratulate the Honourable Sri Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai on his appointment as the Chief Justice of this court. The role of a judge is pivotal in upholding the principles of justice, ensuring fairness and safeguarding the rights of every citizen. It demands impartiality, integrity and an unyielding commitment to the rule of law. The position of a Chief Justice carries additional responsibility as it requires the individual to lead the court and the legal fraternity with wisdom, vision, and a steadfast commitment to justice. Moreover, the Chief Justice play a crucial role in enhancing public confidence in the judiciary. They must actively engage with the legal community, civil society, and the public at large to promote awareness of the law, address concerns, foster trust in the judicial process. Their words and actions carry immense weight and influence, impacting not only the legal profession, but also the lives of countless individuals seeking justice. Our new Chief Justice, Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, was born on 5th of July 1962 at Vadodara, Gujarat, to a family of judges and lawyers. His father, late Honourable Sri Justice Jitendra P. Desai, was a permanent judge of the High Court of Gujarat from 1983 to 1989. Justice Ashish Desai graduated in BA Economics from the St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, and obtained his law degree from Sir L.A. Shah Law College, Ahmedabad. He started his practice as an advocate at the City Civil and Sessions Court, Ahmedabad, and later moved on to practice in the High Court of Gujarat. He has represented the government in various roles, including as the Assistant Government Leader, Additional Public Prosecutor, Central Government Standing Counsel, and was also on various panels like the Gujarat Electricity Board, as well as the Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited. Justice Desai was elevated as an additional judge of the High Court of Gujarat on 21st November 2011 and was confirmed as a permanent judge on 6/9/2013. Later on 26th February 2023, he was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Gujarat. Even during the short tenure as the acting Chief Justice, Justice Desai has brought in a number of changes in various arenas in the High Court of Gujarat. As the Executive Chairperson and Patron-in-Chief of the Gujarat State Legal Services Authority, he was able to carry out various facets of legal service activities like the establishment of 24 hours legal aid clinics and the establishment of the offices of Legal Aid Defence Council in all the 32 districts of Gujarat, making it the third state in India to complete the above task. Justice Desai also created history in the National Lok Adalat organized on 13th May 2023, wherein a record break of 3.90 lakh cases were disposed of under his able guidance. Justice Desai also held the post of Patron-in-Chief of the Gujarat State Judicial Academy and also headed various committees constituted for the purpose of resolving administrative issues and was also the chairman IT committee, where he has brought in a number of radical changes in the working of the judiciary at the district and state level. Till date, Gujarat High Court benefited from the able leadership and guidance of Honourable Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, who has contributed to the development of jurisprudence and efficient functioning of the court. Now the Kerala High Court, renowned for its rich history and legal acumen, receives an exceptional leader who will guide this court towards new heights. The appointment of the Honourable Chief Justice, Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai from Gujarat to preside over the Kerala High Court also exemplifies the unity and shared values that bind our nation together. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Honourable Chief Justice on his appointment to this esteemed position. May he bring forth his wisdom, knowledge and fair judgment to serve the people of Kerala with the same level of sincerity and dedication he displayed in the Gujarat High Court. I have no doubt that under his leadership, the Kerala High Court will continue to uphold justice, protect the rights of citizens and contribute significantly to the evolution of our legal system. We are indeed blessed that our new Chief Justice is from Gujarat, the land of Gandhiji, the father of our nation. On this occasion, as we honor a new Chief Justice today, on behalf of the entire judicial fraternity of the state, including the Judges' Court, and on my personal behalf, I extend a warm welcome to the Honourable Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, the Honourable Chief Justice of the High Court, and may God Almighty continue to shower his blessings on him. On behalf of everyone present here, I also wish your Lordship a very comfortable stay in this God's own country and a successful and rewarding tenure as the Chief Justice of this High Court. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Good morning. Namaskar. My esteemed sister and brother judges, my esteemed brother judges from Gujarat High Court, distinguished former judges, distinguished constitutional functionaries, Director and Additional Director General of Prosecution, respected Standing Counsel, Government of India, Chairman, Bar Council of Kerala, President in charge of Kerala High Court Advocate Association, President of the Senior Advocate Association, President of Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, esteemed law officers of the central and state government, dear senior and junior advocates, Registrar General and other registrars of this court, directors of Kerala Judicial Academy, Member Secretary, Director Kerala Mediation and Conciliation Center, and the most important, the staff of this High Court. I also thankful for all the lawyers, young lawyers who are in the hall. First of all, I thank all of you for a very warm and cordial welcome and for expressing kind words for me. I feel myself extremely blessed and privileged to be in the state of Kerala, one of the geographically most diversified states. It has beaches, lush green landscapes, perennial rivers, mountains and hills beside varied species of wildlife. It is culturally fascinating state of country which is very progressive with literacy rate of 100% and with best tax ratio in India. I must say people rightly call it God's own country. The Kerala High Court, established since 1st November 1956, is one of the most admired institutions in justice delivery system. I feel nostalgic today for being at a place from where countries had its finest juries. When we talk about Kerala High Court, we invariably remember Great Honourable Mr. Justice V.R. Krishna, former Supreme Court Judge, His Lordship pronouncements touching to multiple facets of the legal subjects are binding precedents today. I also feel apt to make reference of Honorable Mr. Justice Kurian Joseph, Judge Supreme Court of India, who always empathies for prompt justice to downtrodden, marginalized, and vulnerable sections of society. I also recollect former Chief Justice of India, Mr. Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, before whom I had caused many appearances during my practicing days. I also remember Honorable Justice P. Subramaniam Poti, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Radhakrishnan, and Honorable Mr. Justice K. S. Radhakrishnan, renowned judges from Kerala who adorned the seat of Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court. The illustrious legacy of this court is alien to none. While we talk about ideal justice delivery system, we must consider the most important stakeholders, the lawyers. Only with the best assistance rendered by the lawyers, the court can reach to the correct conclusion in any litigation. Kerala High Court Bar Association is considered to be one of the most disciplined, assertive yet but submissive bars in the nation. The learned members of the bar contribute their best for prompt verdict. I expect best of cooperation and assistance from all of you. Only with cordial relationship between bar and bench, we would be able to do justice to mammoth pendency of cases. I sincerely believe that no system can perform effectively unless all institutions involved in are established and organized properly, are effective and efficient, are updated to change management, and are people-centric. In this regard, all of us, be it lawyers, judges, officers, court officials, district administration, state machinery, legal services authority, judicial academy, child care institution, prison authority, police department, etc., have pivotal role to play in order to see that poor litigants are provided effective justice in time. We all have to complement each other. Our efforts must be continuous. Our approach has to be human and litigant centric. We must adopt ourselves to appropriate information technological tools. With this positive set of mindset and strong endeavor, we can establish an ideal system. Only our coordinated and urgent efforts can make sure that litigant is not forced to go from pillar to post for his genuine issues. I am sure, with the support of each of above referred stakeholders in the state, we will make very conducive atmosphere. My personal desire is to see that Kerala High Court becomes the most ideal constitutional court in the country. Though I belong to Gujarat and have practiced at Gujarat High Court and had my judgeship at Gujarat High Court, I would feel better to be remembered with collective efforts of all as Chief Justice of Kerala High Court, which now will be my second home. I am thankful to Honorable Justice R.M. Chaya, former Chief Justice Guwahati High Court, with whom I had spent most of my time as my brother judge. I am also thankful to Justice Ashutosh Shastri, Justice Nirjar Desai, Justice Devan Desai, judges of Gujarat High Court, and Justice A.G. Urezi, former judge of Gujarat, who have flown from Ahmedabad to Cochin to support me. In the end, I assure the best of cooperation to all of you for real and genuine issues. Thank you all once again. Thank you.